Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews, where we explore the cutting edge of technology and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Garmin's premium outdoor and sports watches with an in depth look at the upcoming Garmin Fenix 8 and Epix 3. Garmin's Fenix and Epix series have long stood as leaders in the sports and outdoor watch market, each offering unique strengths that cater to different needs. But as technology evolves, the lines between these two powerhouse series are starting to blur, raising intriguing questions about their future. On the other hand, the Garmin Epix series is celebrated for its stunning AMOLED display, which provides vibrant visuals and exceptional readability. These distinct characteristics have allowed the Fenix and Epix lines to carve out their niches in the market. However, the introduction of Garmin's Enduro 2, known for its impressive battery life and adventurous aesthetics, complicates the landscape further. This raises an important question. Does Garmin still need to maintain separate Fenix and Epix lines? Garmin's release schedules can be unpredictable, and the absence of concrete leaks means a later release date cannot be ruled out. Recent FCC filings by Garmin hint at new wearable devices, adding to the speculation but not explicitly confirming the next generation Fenix and Epix models. Display enhancements. The debate between MIP and AMOLED displays continues, but there is always room for improvement. The Garmin Fenix 7 Pro introduced enhanced pixel clarity and backlighting, and we anticipate similar advancements in the Fenix 8. For the Epix 3, increased brightness and finer details would further elevate its already impressive AMOLED display. Cellular connectivity. The ability to stay connected without your phone is a game changer for many users. We're eagerly anticipating the inclusion of cellular support in the Fenix 8 and Epix 3. It's been a while since the Fenix 5X Plus offered this feature. And while Garmin has been cautious about fully embracing cellular connectivity in its sports watches, it's time to catch up with competitors who offer this convenience. Battery life and charging. Longer battery life and faster charging are always welcome upgrades. Additionally, a switch to a more convenient wireless charging method would be greatly appreciated. Garmin's recent Forerunner models have showcased impressive battery life and charging speeds, setting a high standard that the Fenix and Epix lines could benefit from. The anticipation for the Garmin Fenix 8 and Epix 3 is palpable. With the potential for groundbreaking features and significant upgrades, these models are shaping up to be highly anticipated additions to the wearable tech landscape. What features are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights and updates. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.